Hello, my sewing friends. Here is a Hobby Lobby haul. I'm Jen, and this is my sewing room where I brought all this stuff I bought at Hobby Lobby. Not really that much. I went in for some patterns and walked out with fabric and patterns, of course. The last time that patterns were on sale there, I picked up a couple of patterns that I forgot to tell you about. And so let me tell you what those were first. But even before I say that, let me say Simplicity and Quick Sew are on sale right now. And my good friend Sharon told me about that, and I was really glad because although I don't need any more patterns, I did want to get 2 more copies of one pattern that I already own. Okay, so the 2 I got previously were Quick Sew 4332, which is hats. And also Quick Sew 4282, which is also hats. Technically, these are headscarves, and the reason that I got them is that my daughter Jenna, number 4, she colors her hair like all kinds of amazing colors. Purple, blue, teal, pink, rainbow, take your pick. And she doesn't want her color to fade when she goes out into the sun, and she likes to swim. So she said, I probably won't get my head wet, but if you could make me some scarves to wrap around my head so that it covers my hair, that would be great. And I thought, okay. So I sent her shopping at Spandex World and Spandex by the Yard so that she could get some Lycra spandex to use for these. And in the meantime, I went and bought patterns. So I got those. Today, again, Simplicity and Quick Sew are on sale. So I picked up 2 more copies of Simplicity 8640. This is my favorite pattern ever, and I keep using it. And I traced it off initially, and then this last time I used it, I used the tissue, and I just thought, you know what? I like this so much. I want to be able to have all of the sizes in one envelope. So I got 2 just to make sure. And while I was there, I noticed that they had some fabrics on sale. Well, I've been looking for knit fabrics for Vogue 9108, which is a Marcy Tilton pattern. I want to make this view, which also has the straps in the back. And then also this pattern, which is Vogue 8975, also a Marcy Tilton pattern. Well, they had knit on sale. They didn't have all the knit on sale, so I got a couple of things that were regular price, but I thought it would be okay because I only needed half a yard or so of each one, because this one, you have to get 4 more contrast fabrics other than the main fabric. So let me show you what I got for that. The main fabric I got was this, which is a rayon spandex knit. I think that looks a little bit like water, maybe really algae-ish water. I don't know that I'd want to swim in this water, but really, who cares? It's just so pretty. It's just really nice. It's kind of a tie-dye. Actually, I think it is a tie-dye. So, yeah, really soft and really light, and I think it's going to be perfect for that. So that'll be the main part of that. And then let's see, I think that was the main part of it. And then the first the first contrast, which is essentially this part right here in the front. It's kind of the bib front. It's not a bib, but you get my meaning. Is going to be this blue, which is also a tie-dye. Blue, me and blue, we are such good friends. And let's see if I can show you. So this is the main body of the dress, and this will be the first contrast. Next contrast, which is kind of the apron part of the skirt that you will see a lot of, is this, which is so beautiful. It's this. Again, tie-dye. But boy, all these colors. These are so vibrant in person. I wish that the camera was picking it up as beautifully as it is here, but okay, so now we're up to these three, kind of. And the last one is just a plain powder blue. So all of these colors together, I just think it's going to be beautiful. So I got all of those. And then I found some more knit on sale, and I remembered that I had this one. This is $89.75, and I want to make View A, which is right here. And it has a contrast, which you can kind of see on View, what is that? B. And I don't want sleeves, but I do want the contrast for the pockets and that back band. So I didn't get any contrast. And I don't know. I can always lay it out and see if I got enough to do the whole thing. I don't think I did, but we'll see. But I found this. This is so me. Pink roses, just really pretty. Another rayon spandex knit. And it's just got a really nice feel to it. It's soft and drapey and pretty flowers. I love pink. I love pink so much. You know what I would love is if I could find some green and white polka dots. I think that would really zhuzh this up in terms of the pockets on this, because the pockets are so big and baggy. So yeah, that'd be fun. So those are all headed for the washer. And that is my fabric haul and my pattern haul from Hobby Lobby. Not really too much fancy stuff, but you know, a couple of things. I did it. I bought some linen. I know, I got it from Fabric Mart instead of the fabric store, which, by the way, I'm also going to probably buy some linen from the fabric store. But once again, Marcy Tilton and I are just getting to be the best buds. I pulled out Vogue 1694. I want to make this dress, and you can see it's color blocked out all over the place. Well, I have some linen that I want to use for it, but I needed some more pieces of various colors to color block it out, and so I bought some linen from Fabric Mart. First time I've ever bought anything from Fabric Mart. I have finally done it. I can't believe it. So I am joining the rest of the world, the rest of the sewing world, and everyone else who pretty much everybody has bought fabric from Fabric Mart. Now I have too. So I'll show you that when it comes in. But that's all of the stuff for today. And I think that will do it for me for now. So I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.